The National Security Minister and the Foreign Affairs Ministers have reacted to complaints out of the Turks and Caicos Islands, TCI, of Jamaicans being involved in gang violence in that country, with TCI officials signaling out Jamaican gangsters as a part of that country's crime problem. Jamaica's Foreign Affairs Minister has described the move as regrettable.
On Monday, TCI Governor Nigel Dakin told the country's legislature that Jamaican gangs were a major influence on that country's escalating crime. He suggested that the Jamaican government should assist the TCI with the problem. However, in a statement on Friday, Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade Minister Kamina Johnson-Smith expressed concern at the developments and statements. While confirming that Jamaica and other Northern Caribbean states have responded positively to requests for assistance in the TCI, she described it as truly regrettable that, against information indicating that various nationalities have been and are involved in previous criminal activity and the recent surge, Jamaicans were singled out for blame. She described the statement as distinctly unhelpful to the situation. Recognizing the law-abiding Jamaicans in the Turks and Caicos Islands, Minister Johnson-Smith sought to assure them of the concern and interest in the situation and urged them to remain calm. In the meantime, at the first face-to-face meeting of the Caribbean Community Council for National Security and Law Enforcement held in Trelawney, Chairman Dr. Horace Chang noted that gang violence is affecting most regional states because of the same root problem: illegal guns.
None of our countries manufacture firearms, and yet the ill effects of their proliferation and the contribution to gang violence and transnational criminal activities permeates our respective territories and are responsible for over 70% homicides in the Caribbean, more than 70% of the homicides in the CARICOM. It is within this context that it is important to disrupt and prevent illegal firearms and ammunition passing through our borders.
Since the call from the TCI for assistance, Jamaica's Police Commissioner, Major General Anthony Anderson, has announced that both countries have been sharing intelligence in an effort to stem the gang violence across both territories. Herman Green, TVJ News.